Most people turn to vitamin C after they have cough a cold. That's because it helps build up your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells. These are key to fighting infection. Because your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for continued health. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. With such a variety to choose from, it's easy to add a squeeze of this vitamin to any meal. If you think citrus fruits have the most vitamin C of any fruit or vegetable, think again. Ounce for ounce, red bell peppers contain twice as much vitamin C as citrus. They are also a rich source of beta-carotene. Besides boosting your immune system, vitamin C may help maintain healthy skin. Beta-carotene helps keep your eyes and skin healthy. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. It adds a little zing to food and it's a must-have for your health. Early civilizations recognized its value in fighting infections. According to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health trusted source, garlic may also help lower blood pressure and slow down hardening of the arteries. Garlic's immune boosting properties seems to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur containing compounds such as allicin. Ginger is another ingredient many turn to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and other inflammatory illnesses. Ginger may also help decrease nausea. While its use in many sweet desserts, ginger packs some heat in the form of gingerol. Ginger may help decrease pain and may possess cholesterol-lowering properties, according to recent animal research trusted source. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as many other antioxidants and fiber. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your table. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all. Spinach made our list not just because it's rich in vitamin C, it's also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune system. Similar to broccoli, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. However, light cooking enhances its vitamin A and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid. Look for yogurts that have live and active cultures printed on the label, like Greek yogurt. These cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight disease. Try to get plain yogurts rather than the kids' that are pre-flavored and loaded with sugar. You can sweeten plain yogurt yourself with healthy fruit and a drizzle of honey instead. Yogurt can also be a great source of vitamin D, so try to select brand fortified with vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and is thought to boost our body's natural defense against disease. When it comes to preventing and fighting off colds, vitamin E tends to take a backseat to vitamin C. However, vitamin E is key to a healthy immune system. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. Nuts such as almonds are packed with the vitamin and also have healthy fats. A half cup serving, which is about 46 whole-shelled almonds, provides nearly 100% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin E. Sunflower seeds can make a tasty addition to salads or breakfast bowls. They are a rich source of vitamin E and antioxidant. In the same way as other antioxidants, vitamin E improves immune function. It does this by fighting off free radicals which can damage cells. Kiwis are naturally full of a ton of essential nutrients, including folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts white blood cells to fight infection, while kiwis' other nutrients keep the rest of your body functioning properly.